Hello everyone, this is Emily, who loves or has tried this Malaysia kueh called Kuih Dadar or Kuih Ketayap. I love it and let's make it today. This is the pandan leaves with a very pleasant aroma, and if you cannot find any pandan leaves, you can use the pandan essence as a substitute. To get the pandan juice, we need to blend the pandan and squeeze out the water, and here is the beautiful aroma of pandan juice. To make the crepe, we need 2 cups of multi-purpose flour, 1 egg, a little bit of salt, corn flour, and a tablespoon of oil, and also 3 cups of the pandan juice. Mix well in any directions that you want until there is no lumps can be seen. This should be the consistency that you will get after you mix everything. To make the crepe, we have to apply a thin layer of oil and then add a layer of the pandan butter and swirl around the pan to distribute evenly. It is very important to apply a thin layers of oil on the heated non-stick pan to get the beautiful texture. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Can you see it? This is what we want. And here I'm going to do an experiment and see what will happen if we don't add any oil. Let the butter firms out, shake the pan, and let's have a look. What we get here is just a smooth crepe without any texture. So, 2 points here. First, brush some oil. Second, make sure the non-stick pan is hot enough and not cold. This is 100 grams of palm sugar. I cannot find a fresh coconut here, so I have to use the packaged coconut. I have used 2 types of coconut in today's cooking. This is the shredded coconut. If you don't like this texture, you can also use the desiccated coconut. And this is the pandan crepe which I prepared earlier. Who can resist this Nyonya kueh with coconut coated in palm sugar in a fragrant pandan crepe, unless you don't like coconut? 风味十足，好好吃的班兰椰丝卷，有谁不喜欢呢？好啦，今天我的分享就到这里咯，希望你们喜欢，我们下期再见，拜拜。